My name's Joshua. I've been on the academy since February last year, so over a year now. It's going really good. So currently I have 6 rent to essays. I'm profiting 5-6k a month in those properties. So it's going really well. It's going amazing.
So you've also been to the events and all that kind of stuff. Tell me what it's like being in the room with Samuel.
The atmosphere is just absolutely electric. Just being around people who are in the game with you, there's nothing like it to kind of help you, like kind of encourage you and motivate you and push you forward in your own journey. Definitely.
Incredible. And what about when so people tend to land deals actually at these events, don't they?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what it's like when that happens and how that makes you feel?
Oh, it's absolutely incredible to kind of, because a lot of people kind of, and you can kind of see on social media, people getting these deals and doing these deals, and it doesn't quite feel real. But actually being in the room and actually seeing it happen, it just makes it all real. And it kind of, for me at least, it kind of gave me that confidence that, yeah, that this is something I can do. Even though I'm a young person, I had no experience in property. It just gave me that experience. And now I've got 6 essays and I'm financially free. I used to be a truck driver and I completely quit that. So I'm full-time in property now.
Incredible. And how does your family and the people that are close to you kind of like perceive the changes, like the success you've had?
So it's amazing actually, because at first it is kind of difficult to kind of think, you know, what's Joshua doing? You know, what's this property thing? It kind of sounds like a bit of a flash in the pan. But after doing it for a while and them seeing the results, they're won over themselves, and they completely get it now.
So for someone who's thinking about getting into property, they're just starting off, they don't know where to start. Tell me why this is the place they should start.
Well, absolutely everything is here. So all the mentorship, all of the training, like deal analysis. So mentors will physically look at your deals and tell you whether they're good deals or not. And so everything's here. So if you're getting into property and you completely new, even if you've been in the industry for a while, it completely changes the game for you.